All right, if you have a Whirlpool oven and you have a stuck keypad or control panel, I'm here to help you fix that. So the one reason I'm back here, first thing you can do is go to your control panel, your circuit board, rather in your home. That looks like something like this. A lot of times if it's a two-story, it's downstairs. And what I want you to do is turn off your oven range by going to the circuit board, because you can't do it from the kitchen unless you pull out the oven, and go ahead and turn the switch. You just basically look at the key. Range would be over here, or it might say oven. And what you want to do is you want to turn it off, and then you're going to go back and make sure that there's no clock on your oven, and then keep it off for a good 15 minutes, and then turn it back on. A lot of times that will fix the issue with your control panel. Next thing I want you to do is look for the lock button. It's a child-proof lock button. Sometimes it'll say LOC or lock, and I don't see one on here, but see if you can find one. And if you see a lock or a lock, you hold it down for 5 seconds and it should beep, and then see if your keys are responding, your keypad. This particular one is right here on the start on this Whirlpool Gold, and I want to hold that down for 3 seconds. See there, and it turned on the lock. All right, and that would be the reason why it wouldn't respond if you know that that lock is on. To disengage it, just hold down the start again for 5 seconds. Unlocking. That will work. All right, next thing what I want you to do is to do a control panel reset. Now, if you have like a start cancel button, this one just has a cancel. A start cancel or stop cancel rather, you just go to hold it down for 5 seconds, and see then if you're able to engage with the buttons. And on this particular one, what we're going to do is we're going to hit cancel twice, and then start, and then 3. So cancel, cancel, start. Let me try that again. Cancel, cancel, start. And then I hit the 3 until I get to control reset. And then click start. And then see if your numbers are able to engage. Now, if you've tried all that and it still doesn't work, what I want you to do is with the palm of your hand, press very firmly on the numbers. So it might be just a stuck button. So what I want to do is get the palm of my hand, and I want to firmly press. I want to go up on the very top and I want to go down like real firm. And what that could be doing, there could be a button there that's stuck for whatever reason. But press very firmly with the palm of your hand. All right, and then see if that will make it work. I'm pretty confident one of those will. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.